following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Maine State Police. At approximately 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Maine State Troopers reportedly saw a mysterious figure in the Woodbury Forest. This figure was said to somewhat resemble a clown. It is most likely responsible for the disappearances of the search team members and 5-year-old Kevin Lappant, as well as the confirmed death of 9-year-old Benthay. The extended curfew will now be in effect for the next 5 days. All people and pets must be indoors by 8:30 and are to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked until 8 a.m. the following morning. Failure to comply is against the law. If you are caught outside during the curfew hours, you will be immediately arrested and questioned. The FBI and the Maine State Police thank you for your cooperation.